Then we want to discuss changes in budget set. Changes in budget set. Two factors affecting budget set or budget line, that is income of the consumer and the prices of the commodities. Here, change in income and changes in prices. These both situations affect the budget set and the budget line. In the case of changes in income, there are two types of changes: increase in income and decrease in income. First we can take increase in income. Okay. Then here income of the consumer increases. At the same time, prices of the commodities remains as the same. Then the budget line will shift to the rightward. That means here consumer can purchase more, both the commodities he can purchase more. As a result, budget line will shift to the rightward. That we can check by using a diagram. Here then we know we are taking bananas on x-axis and mangoes on y-axis. Okay, then the initial income, that is M. At that time, horizontal intercept, that is M by P1, and vertical intercept, that is M by P2. Then we can draw here initial budget line. Suppose the horizontal intercept M by P1 is here and M by P2 is here. By joining these 2 points, we will get a line that is known as budget line. Okay, then this line representing the equation P1 x1 plus P2 x2 is equal to M. This is the initial budget line, and this budget line represents the equation P1 x1 plus P2 x2 is equal to M. Now the income increases from M to M dash. At that time, horizontal intercept, that will become M dash by P1, and vertical intercept, that will become M dash by P2. Okay, then due to change in income, M by P1, that will shift to rightward as M dash by P1, and vertical intercept, that will shift to upward as M dash by P2. Then we will get a new budget line, that is this new budgeted line. This budget line represents the equation P1 x1 plus P2 x2, that is equal to M dash. Then we can say that due to increase in income, when the prices of the good 1 and good 2 remains as the same, at that time this budget line will shift to rightward or upwards. Okay, then we can explain this with the help of an example. Suppose M is equal to 20 rupees. Price of the first commodity, that is banana, is 5. Price of the second commodity, that is mango, that is 5. Then M by P1. What is M by P1? 20 by 5. 20 by 5, that is equal to 4. This is the horizontal intercept M by P1, that is 20 by 5, that is equal to 4. Then vertical intercept M by P2, that is 20 by P2, that is 5, is equal to 4. Then we can draw budget line here by using this new example. Here we are drawing x-axis, and the y-axis. Then we can mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here are also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then this is the initial budgeted line. Horizontal intercept, that is 4. M by P1 is 4. Vertical intercept, that also 4. M by P2, 20 by 5, that is 4. We are plotting this point here, and if we are joining these points, you will get a line, that is the initial budgeted line. Okay, then here income increases, that is M dash is 40 here. P1, there is no change, P1 is 5, P2 is 5. Then we can find out M by P1, 40 by 5, that is equal to 8. Then next M by, interchangeable, that is why M dash by P1, 40 by 5, 8. M dash by P2, M dash, what is M dash here? 40 by P2, 5, 40 by 8, 40 by 5, that is 8 here. Then what is horizontal intercept? That is 8 here. Vertical intercept, that is also 8. Then due to change in income, here income increasing from 20 to 40, but there is no change in price. At that time, new horizontal intercept, that is m dash by P1, that is 40 by 5 is equal to 8. Then vertical intercept m dash by P2, that is 40 by 5, that is 8. Then we can plot these 2 points here, and if we are showing in these points, then we will get a line here. That line is known as budgeted line. Here, this budget line represents the equation 5x1 plus 5x2 is equal to 20. But here, income increases. Here, this line represents the equation 5x1 plus 5x2 is equal to 4. Then we can say that when income increases from 20 to 40, at that time budget line will shift to rightward or upwards. Then we can take the second case, that is decrease in income. Decrease in income. When the income of the consumer decreases and the prices of the commodities remains as the same, the budget line will shift to leftward. We can check this with the help of a diagram. Then here the horizontal intercept, that is m by P1 in the initial case. We know income is m here, horizontal intercept, that is m by P1. Vertical intercept, that is m by P2. With this we can draw one budgeted line. Here we are drawing x-axis and here we are drawing y-axis. Okay, x-axis we are representing bananas and y-axis we are representing mangoes. Okay, first we can plot here horizontal intercept, that is m by P1. And here we can plot vertical intercept, that is m by P2. Okay, by joining these lines, these points, we will get a line that is known as budgeted line. Then this budget line represents P1 x1 plus P2 x2 is equal to m. This is the initial budgeted line. Then when income decreases, m will shift to m double dash. Then horizontal intercept will become m double dash by P1. Here horizontal intercept will shift to leftwards. Why? Here prices of the commodities remains as the same and the income of the consumer decreases. At that time he can purchase bananas less or first commodity less, so M by P1 that will shift to leftwards. M by P or M double dash by P1 will shift to leftwards. Then vertical intercept, the new one, that is M double dash, that is the new income by P2. That also will shift to downwards here. Why? Here there is no change in the prices of mangoes, but the income of the consumer decreases. As a result, this vertical intercept will shift to downwards. So we got vertical intercept here and horizontal intercept here. By joining these 2 points, we will get the new budget line. This budget line represents the equation P1 x1 plus P2 x2 is equal to M double dash. Then what we can see here, when income decreases from M to M double dash, at that time the horizontal intercept that will move to leftwards. Why? There is no change in the prices of the commodity bananas, but here income of the consumer decreases. As a result, horizontal intercept M by P1 will shift to M double dash by P1 to leftwards. At the same time, M by P2 that also shift to downwards as M double dash by P2. What is the reason behind that? Here vertical intercept that will shift to downwards. Why? Here there is no change in the price of mangoes or commodity 2. Here income of the consumer decreases, so he can purchase less unit of mangoes and less unit of bananas. So here budget line that will shift to leftwards due to decrease in income, and if there is no change in the prices of commodities, at that time budget line will shift to leftwards or downwards. Suppose initial income of the consumer, that is M is equal to 20. Prices of the commodities P1, price of bananas, that is 5. P2, price of mangoes, that is 5. Then here price income of the consumer decreases from 20 to 10. Here in the initial case we know M by P1 that is 20 by 5, that is equal to 4, and M by P2 that also 20 by 5 is equal to 4. Then now the income of the consumer decreases from 20 to 10. At that time also there is no change in price. P1 is 5, P2 is also 5. Then now M double dash by P1 that is 10, M double dash the new income that is 10 by P1 that is 5. Then M double dash by P1 that is 2. Then M double dash by P2 that is 10. M double dash, what is M double dash? 10. 10 by 5. also will be 2. Then we can draw budget line here. We are drawing x-axis here. And the y-axis. Here we know, here we are representing bananas, and here we are representing mangoes. Then we can mark the points here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here initial horizontal intercept and a vertical intercept. Horizontal intercept, that is m by p1, that is equal to 4. So we can plot here 4. And the vertical intercept, that is m by p2, that also 4. We got here horizontal intercept, that is 4, and vertical intercept, that is 4. By joining these points, line, that is our initial budget line. This budget line represents the equation 5x1 plus 5x2 is equal to income. What is income? 20. 5x1 plus 5x2 is equal to 20. Then income decreases from 20 to 10. At that time, horizontal intercept is 2. M double dash by P1, 10 by 5, that is equal to 2. So here, new horizontal intercept, that is 2. And the new vertical intercept, that is M double dash by P, 10 by 5, that is equal to 2. And we got vertical intercept as 2 and horizontal intercept, that is also will be 2. By joining these 2 points, we will get the new budget line. This new budget line represents the equation 5x1 plus 5x2 is equal to 10. Then, due to change in the income of the consumer, while other things or prices of the other goods remains as the same, the budget line will shift to downwards. Here we can see the budget line will shift to downwards. Okay, that is the result here. Then we know what is the change in budget, set our budget line due to change in income. When income increases, the budget line will shift to upward or rightwards, and when income decreases, budget line will shift to leftwards or downwards.